So, hi, yes, Terry here, Jetmac, how are you? Quick video just to show you the Jetmac 21 litre Tornado dual tech rotary cleaner package. So what you get is you get the Loncin pressure washer, which is a 14 horsepower petrol engine, 21 litres a minute, 3000 psi machine, return to tank bypass, two 10 metre hoses, turbo nozzle, lamps, suction hoses, and this dual tech rotary. Now, how this is different than ordinary rotaries is it has two triggers. First of all, okay, one trigger operates underneath here, which spins this, and the second trigger comes to the front here, and we have a 3 nozzle water broom, and we also have a changeable attachment here that you can put, for example, your ordinary nozzles on, like that, and that will take all the same nozzles as your lamps. So for example, you could click your turbo nozzle into it, like that. Okay, so let's just change this back again and start the machine up. I will do a quick demo just to show you it working. So let's put that back in there. Okay, what's up? So get your hose, go onto here, let's start the machine up. On. Folks, we're just running out of petrol here, so it's goodbye from me and it's goodbye from him. Goodbye.